let's go feed Roosty and the girls. They're already beating us to the coop. We got us a blue egg basket. I brought it just in case we have some more eggs. We only had 3 earlier today. You see any, Manny? I need to see if they laid any up here near the wood pile. One of them likes to lay up here around the wood for some reason. Take him down the road? Yeah. Oh, Sissy's strawberry plant is doing pretty good over here, looks like. Building a fort? I don't think you got quite enough lumber there.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
This is going to be the base out.
Okay, the base out.
I'm going to leave an opening because that's where the door's going to be.
Oh, okay. What's that going to be, the top?
No, it's going to just be the background.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. When I'm done building my fort.
Saturday morning, we're gonna make the tortilla quiche bake this morning. So I've got my skillet here. My tortilla shells are not the extra large ones, so I'm just taking 3 of them and putting together here to fill up my skillet. Okay, we just put in some cottage cheese. I'm just doing about that much, and 3 eggs. Now we just break up the eggs and mix that all together. Since I have more than one shell, I'm gonna have to hold mine still here a little bit. And I feel like I might need one more egg. Yeah, I'm gonna go with one more egg in here. We're gonna go with 2 more. We're making a little bit of a bigger one here. Okay, now we're going to chop up some red bell pepper. Just put that all over the top. I'm going to put just a little salt and pepper. Now spinach. Oh, I need to preheat the oven to 350. Mozzarella cheese on top. A little bit more pepper, and that's it. It's going to bake for 20 minutes at 350. While that's cooking, we're going to use our egg whites that we had in the refrigerator, and I'm going to put 1 egg in there with them to make some English muffin French toast. I have these English muffins in the cabinet that I either need to freeze or use, so we'll just make some little French toast with them. Put just a little bit of milk in there and some cinnamon. don't think I've ever used English muffins for French toast. We have used lots of things. Croissants are probably my favorite thing to use. It is so good when you turn croissants into French toast, but we're gonna find out how English muffins are. I'm gonna grab my tongs real quick. I think it'll be good. I love English muffins. I used to hate them. I don't know why, but I did not like them for the longest time. And then I started loving them. They're really good, especially if you just put like some butter on there, let some butter melt and put some jelly or preserves or something. And it kind of seeps down in those little muffin pockets. It's wonderful. So I think that they'll make really good French toast. I think I used to like to put a little cream cheese with the preserves and jelly sometimes too. Really let it soak that up. The tortilla quiche is looking good in there. Not much longer on that.
Folks, we'll be right back after this commercial.
Oh, wait, you're digging in. Wait, you're digging in, yeah. Well, see, since I put 3 together, it's not wanting to slide out as easy as it would.
It to come out easy.
If you have one of those extra large tortillas. There we go. Now you got it.
Alright everybody, we got a quiche.
Tortilla quiche bake.
I don't know what a quiche really is.
You made one before, y'all. Bless his heart.
That's really good.
How's the shell on the bottom?
I like it.
It's not soggy.
That's not soggy, folks.
Now this is English muffin French toast here.
That's really good. I like the texture of that. That's good. Really good, y'all.